Today we will be talking about 5 stocks that I am watching this week. Let's get into the video. Before I tell you the 5 stocks that I am watching this week, I would like to kindly ask you to demolish the like button as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Alibaba is once again on my list for a couple of reasons. For one, I plan to hold Alibaba long term, and I also think there are some options and swing trading possibilities that will arise this week. So as you can see, the stock is currently below the SMA line, and the RSI is currently 43 and on the move upwards. So this indicates to me a good buy. I'd like to remind you guys that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm looking at. The next stock we're going to be looking at is PENN National Gaming. PENN National Gaming actually owns 36% of Barstool, and that's why it's had a crazy run from $4 this year all the way up to $96 at its peak. This isn't a long-term hold for me because I think it could be topping out soon, but I still do think that there are day trade and swing trading opportunities here. The stock is below the SMA line and has a RSI of 37, but I need to see the RSI line rebound before buying in. The third stock we have is going to be Apple. Apple needs no introduction as it's pretty much an iconic stock. Apple is both a long-term hold for me as well as something that I do day trade and swing trade and options trade. As for this week in Apple, I am seeing a potential swing trade here. The RSI is currently 40 and the stock is below the SMA line. As soon as the RSI is above 45 to 50, I will most likely start my swing trade. The fourth stock that we're going to be looking at is actually one of my favorite stocks in Li Auto. This is currently one of my favorite stocks because it recently IPO'd and it is a new hot stock in the EV sector, which has been a crazy sector. This sector has done so well this year and I think has a lot more to go. And it also beat its expected earnings in its first earnings call. As for the swing trade possibilities this week, I think this is a great time to swing trade this stock. The RSI is currently 36 and is starting its trends upwards, and the stock is below the SMA line. This is a stock I'll probably be buying early on in the week. Alright, the fifth and final stock we are going to have ZM or Zoom. Now Zoom is an interesting stock because as soon as the virus hit, it actually shot up in price. And people are thinking that it's going to start to fall back down to reality. I'm not sure how I feel about the overall macro trend of Zoom right now, but I think there are potential trades to be made with day trading and swing trading. If the RSI goes from its very low number of 27 to about 40, I'll probably consider a swing trade, but until then, I'm just watching. Remember the popular saying on the channel, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just giving you guys the things that I'm watching. I don't think that you guys should buy these. I'm only buying these things if certain things actually happen. Certain things like the RSI could just go completely down and it never even comes back up for the whole week. I won't buy. It's only if certain things happen that then I'll consider buying it. So you guys just have to remember, you can't just look at someone else's stocks that they're watching and just buy them because you don't even know if they're buying them. Like, I'm watching these stocks, but I bet you I'll only trade about 2 to 3 of them. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Don't just blindly buy things. Do your research and make sure when you buy into something, especially when you're day trading and swing trading, that you know where you want to take profit, where you would take a loss. Just remember to have all those things in mind. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you could please leave a comment or a like on the video, that would really help the YouTube algorithm, and we are putting in work. We've been doing a lot of research in all of these videos and we've been putting a lot of effort into them as well. So if you guys could subscribe, like, comment, that really helps the YouTube algorithm and getting more people to see us. But yeah, my name is Zach and I'll see you in the next video.